morning guys, and in front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first let's open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we want to open. Now mark settings, go to languages, tap on plus icon, choose the language that you want to apply. As you can see, you can either scroll all the way down till you find it, or in search area you can enter the language that you look for, pick the layout here, tap on done, and you can either stay with all languages that you had, or you can remove some languages. Let me go back with the whole package, and now smoothly by picking here you can switch the keyboard on. Here, just wait a couple of seconds how to change this one. Okay, because we are entering the numbers, sorry. Let's pick this one. Okay, so in that case you have to go back here and choose this icon, and then you go back and the language, the previous one. So, and the classic keyboard and in most samples, just tap on the space icon here to switch between languages. But if you have Chinese or any other language and this is not working, just mark on more here and pick languages icon. Then you will be back in the previous one. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.